Hello, IELTS aspirants. Today, we're diving deep into mastering task understanding and avoiding common errors. Get ready for a comprehensive guide to ace your IELTS. Understanding the IELTS task is crucial. Misreading instructions or ignoring key elements can cost you valuable marks. Consider this. The task asks for a 150-word summary, but you write 200 words. Highlight words like no more than to keep within limits. Time management is key. Spending too long on one question? Practice pacing and keep an eye on the clock. Careless reading leads to errors. For instance, misunderstanding describe as discuss can derail your response. Focus on verbs. Think about your reading habits. Do you skim too quickly or take time to understand each word? Always remember to transfer your answers. This simple step is crucial and often overlooked. Guessing can lead you astray. If unsure, look for contextual clues, but don't leave blanks. One question, one answer. Providing more can invalidate your response. Pay attention to instructions like choose one. Stay calm and focus on keywords in questions and passages. They guide you to the correct answers. To sum up, read carefully, manage your time, understand tasks thoroughly, and stay composed. These are your keys to IELTS success. That's your IELTS Task Mastery Guide. Subscribe for more insights and visit verbling.com/teachers/Marie for tailored coaching. See you next time.